Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I'm standing in front of a gorgeous 1972 Chevelle. She's got a 502 under the hood, black bucket seats. You're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna take a look at that GM Performance 502. We're gonna look at the interior. We're gonna look inside the trunk. We're going to show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Chevelle investment. So come on up and we're going to fire it up. Look at this beautiful car, man. The chrome on the front bumper looks like it's brand new. The grille's in great shape. Those stripes are buried underneath the clear. You can just barely feel them under there. Smooth as can be, too. The paint is like glass. The hood fits great. The line's nice and straight. All the stainless looks good. The vinyl top's in great shape. Door handle looks like it's brand new. Door operates nice and smooth. It's all nicely painted in here. Rubber's been replaced. We'll take a nice close look at the door panel and the interior here in a minute. I love the Kragers on the car. Got great looking chrome on the rear bumper. Great looking exhaust tips there. Let's see if we can get in the trunk here. Yep, those stripes too, buried under the clear. Trunk's all nicely coated. Those wheel wells are nice and solid. Back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. Beautiful car inside and out. All this is all nicely painted. All the lips look good here. And when you look down the side of the car, the bodywork on the car is phenomenal. She is straight as can be. Door operates nice. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this car. We spend the time to check the cars out before we buy them. We've got about 200 cars in stock right now, and we're bringing in about 40 new ones every month. So make sure you keep a close eye on our website. Check us out on Facebook. Follow us on YouTube. We're always got something cool going on every day. You never know what we're going to bring in. Now let's look at the interior. Check out the door panel. Looks beautiful. Armrest looks good. Handles look great. Threshold looks good. Carpeting looks like it's brand new. The upholstery on the seats are in great shape. Now we've got seat belts in the front and the rear. Looks like we got a set of, looks like 3 seat belts in the rear. Package tray's in good shape. Headliner looks good. Shoulder belts are there. Dome lights working. Sun visors are in good shape. Take a look at the dash. The lenses are nice and clear. The gauge faces look good. The dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. The center console looks great. She's got the staple shifter. This is an awesome Chevelle. All right, let's go for a ride in our Chevelle. Tell you what, it's a sweet ride, guys. These Chevelles are amazing, super hot right now. And this one's got a 502 under the hood. You wanna talk about power? You hit the accelerator on this car, it sets you back in the seat and away you go. And what a sweet paint job it has on it. Take a look at that hood out there, man. Talk about shine. That is amazing. I see perfect reflection of all the trees, the stop sign, everything. And I tell you what, this thing is a traffic stopper. Everybody wants to check this baby out when you're driving it down the road. And listen to that exhaust. Doesn't it sound awesome? Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts. We can ship this Chevelle anywhere in the world. You just call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you just how easy it is to ship this car anywhere in the world. Also, he can answer any question about the car. If you see anything on the car you'd like a little bit different, we've got a whole team of mechanics at Vanguard that can just about do anything to a hot rod that needs to be done. See what this guy in the van's doing. It's like an obstacle course out here some days. Listen to that exhaust, man, it sounds great. Now down here on the dash, we got the gas gauges working, the tach's working. I hear the blower motor blowing. It's got a radio added underneath the dash there. Horn's working. Horn's working too good. I'll have the guys take a look at that. Now also all the lights, the guys will go through all the lights. You can see I'm driving with no hands. She's going nice and straight. Make sure you got dash lights, headlights, brake lights, everything you need. And if you'd like to come in and check this car out, we'd love to have you come by. We love to have visitors. We're bringing in about 40 new cars every month, so check us often. Make sure you follow us on Facebook. Check out the website often. Here's our shop right here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. You got to stick around now because we're going to put this Chevelle up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. Then we're going to pop the hood and take a look at that 502. All right, we're underneath this 72 now. As you can see, rotisserie restored, brand new gas tank, beautiful paint on the bottom side of the floorboards. Actually, that happens to be the trunk right there. Great looking brand new exhaust. We got a 12-bolt rear end here, right around a 273 gear, so it's a great highway gear. Air shocks have been added, new brake lines. We've got the reinforced lower control arms. We got the extra braces that the SS would have had. We got some big old Flowmasters here making the music. Great looking floorboards here. Frame's in nice shape. We got new fuel line front to back. We got new brake lines. One of those is actually a vapor line for the fuel tank too. Fuel filters mounted here in the frame. We got some wiring here that's in some conduit. Turbo 400 trans. That's similar trans to what would have come in this car originally. That's a 3-speed automatic. Up front's at 502. We got a chrome cover on the torque converter. High torque starter. Looks like the bushings were replaced at one time. Now on the brakes in the back, we got drum brakes back there. The guys will pull them all apart and make sure they're in good working order. The disc brakes up front, they'll take a look at those also. They'll also take a look at all the steering gear, make sure it's in good working order. It's got a big old sway bar, the bushings look good. I always check out the core support on these cars. One of the first things to rot out, this core support looks great. That front bumper looks like it's brand new chrome. The front frame horns are nice and straight. Never been in any accident, it looks like to me. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here we got radial TAs, BFGs, 225 15s, and some great looking Kragers. Wheel lip moldings look good. Wheel wells are nice and clean. I always check out right down to the bottom side of the front fender. It looks great. Let's look at the rear. All right, out back here we've got, let's see if I can find the size, 275 60 15s. Same good looking Kragers. Always check this lip molding right here. All I feel is the two little pieces of steel there where that inner fender is welded to that quarter. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 502, 461 horsepower, and they say 558 foot-pounds of torque. She's got an MSD HEI distributor on her. Power brakes, power steering, good-looking valve covers. Got an Edelbrock carb sitting there. Electric choke on this baby. We've got a exhaust manifolds are stock appearing, MSD wires. Alternator looks like it's a rebuilt unit. Radiator's in good shape. We got a fan clutch on the fan. Firewall's nicely painted. Inner wheelhouses are all nicely painted. Core support looks good on the top side also. It's an amazing build, guys. This car will get up and go. 502 power here, guys. Super clean, painted body, bottom side. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.